The longer you take to listen to your heart, longer you struggle will last. Whatever area that you're struggling with right now, the root cause of all that is because you're not listening to your heart.
There was a child in me. Over the period of time, that child is lost somewhere.
I was not happy, mentally very distressed.
I've been brought up in a joint family, so I had always been compared and I always thought that I'm not good enough.
2 years back, an incident happened and my trust was broken very deeply with the person I had a highest regard for.
I was carrying one guilt in my mind all the time.
I really did have certain grudges, certain trauma.
There was some part of me that longed for that love, that hug, that short, simple moments with my parents that I really wanted as a child.
I realized that a lot of things which I've already healed in my past has lapsed out again.
God has created you in a way that you are perfect. You're not broken. We also are like mirrors. It's just that there are a lot of layers of dust that has come on us. We just need to do some cleansing work.
Gurudev said, look at your mobile. I would just keep talking in the mobile with myself. कि यार संतोष तू वही बच्चा है, and be awake. Now again I'm going back to that childhood.
I've realized that it's all about being holistically and mentally meeting yourself and loving yourself. I'm completely a new person. I have got another birth.
I felt so deep in my heart, in my mind, and I felt so connected to my mother. I never cried since she died, but I cried like baby yesterday.
There was a 9-year-old Shalini which actually gone through a lot of things. I healed her in 2018, but I did not continue to do so. But I made a promise to myself that I'm going to do so, and plus I'll make sure to give myself a lot more love, which was missing.
Traumas which I went through throughout my childhood. Today I released all those traumas and I feel completely liberated.
This is the best day of my life. It was like the entire body was filled with love. I started hugging each and everybody which came in my contacts. If we stay in that state, just think how wonderful our life would be. It would be like love, everywhere love. I wish I could stay in that energy zone for the rest of my life.
For last 8 years, I was not able to cry with liberation. I thought that yes, I was really happy, content with myself, but no, I was not. This childhood trauma was still with me till date. That made me cry like really crazy.
My heart has never wept this much with tears. APW is the single place which has brought me the realizations of the depth and the root where it starts on from. It's very necessary to bring out your heart at some point of time.
This is the place to be in. Whatever program you attend of Dev, you will never be disappointed. That is my personal experience of last 6 years.
As Gurudev says that, if you are healing, the seed is being planted, the tree will grow. You will only not get benefited from it. It's the entire family, your generations to come, everyone is going to get benefited from it.